Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni, they are like slaves to Macele. They are always begging her, pamper her every time because she can get angry anytime. I saw they gave her a crown at her wedding. They say this is the queen. But Macele, deep down in her heart, she was not okay. You know that sometimes to be on polygamy, you are like slave and you have to tolerate everything your husband is telling you. If you are wrong and the other wife is wrong or you are right, sometimes your husband can take the side of the older wife. That's why those wives, they are had enough of Musamseleko and Macele. Now they are doing things that impress them, not to impress another person. Because guys, when we saw Utando Nestembu season 1 to season 5, they are always, even they don't get angry. I didn't see Mangwabe, she was getting angry like she started doing on season 7. Mangwabe started giving Musamseleku an attitude on season 7 that she is no longer tolerating anything. Because sometimes when you are like, maybe you are like a slave to someone else, and Macele forgot that Musamseleku was the one who came to them first, to Makhumalo Mangwabe, like he did. If Macele, guys, there is no need Macele to get angry for them, because Msamseleku told them, that told Macele and their family that he want to have polygamy. Macele, sometimes I don't understand. Macele be on that marriage, but Msamseleku was already warned here, as he did to Mayeni. But Mayeni and her family, they don't allow her. But Mayeni took a decision to come back in Musamseleku's life because she loves Musamseleku. You understand it? But there is no need. That's why those wives now, they are doing things what they want. They know that they have got rights on that marriage. It's not about when a second wife, a third wife came in polygamy. She is like a slave, always pampering those who came before them, before her. So they are like slave to her. But now they don't want anything to do with Macele now.